Hi everyone, it's Katie here from @LearnBigThinkSmall, and today I'm excited to show you a planner tote bag. This is by a Happy Planner company and it's their Monstera print. I'm going to open it up and I'll do a top-down walkthrough of the bag itself. It's completely empty at the moment, but I'm hoping to fill it up with my planner and other accessories. Alright, so if I lift it up, we can see it's got two handles here and two main large zipped pouches. So let's go ahead and open the first pouch. Alright, so we've got a main large mesh compartment, and then on this side it looks like there's a pen pouch, or in fact two pen pouches. One there, and then a larger pocket here. Another zipped pouch inside here. And on the mesh side, that's zipped as well. Okay, I'm going to go ahead and open the second large zipped pouch. Here, you can see we've got two smaller mesh pouches here, and they velcro on and off. They're attached at the moment. Side, and then on this side, velcros on and off, and then just unzips like that. So I guess we should hold pens or something in there. And then on this side, we've got just a slip-in pocket on that side. Okay, let's get filling it. Exciting.